Welcome to the jungle in Rangtlang village. We experienced the first heavy rainy day and the clouds are everywhere. Today we're going to show you the most unique and exotic moment captured by our team of explorers. You will see here the rain touched the earth. It showered the plants and animals around the jungle. And it brings back life of new young plants to begin a new life. We found shelter for ourselves and prepared our own food. The next path of a journey leads us to the most stunning part of exploration by witnessing the giant ficus tree in the middle of the dense jungle. This giant tree produced some of the living root bridges down the streams, and we could also see the new bamboo bridges coming up. It was also expected that in the next 30-40 years, these bamboo bridges can become a full-fledged living root bridges. This is all about the hard work and patience to succeed this very long-term project to be completed.